Come see us at Grace Auto Repair, right here on West Broad Street. Most people know us for our sales location, the cars, the inventory, the reviews, the team. But what a lot of people don't realize is that Grace Auto is more than just a place to buy a car. And right here on West Broad is our service department. And today I want to take a few minutes to introduce you to it because this is a big part of who we are. This is where we take care of oil changes, brakes, tires, inspections, alignments, diagnostics, all the everyday things that keep your car safe and reliable. And the bigger stuff that most people don't want to deal with until they have to. But here's the most important thing to understand. You do not have to buy a car from us to service your car here. If you live in the area, if you work nearby, if you drive past us every day on West Broad, this is a local service department that's here for anyone who needs honest help with their vehicle. We built this service department with one simple goal in mind: take care of people the right way. That means no pressure, no talking down to you, no guessing games. If something needs to be fixed, we'll show you, explain it clearly, and walk you through your options. If something doesn't need to be fixed, we'll tell you that too. A lot of our customers come to us because they're tired of long wait times, tired of not knowing who to trust, or tired of feeling just like another number. That's not how we operate here. Our service team works on vehicles every single day for families, commuters, students, and small business owners right here in Richmond. These are real cars, real problems, real people who need dependable transportation. And if you did buy your car from us, this is where that relationship continues, long after the sale. Because selling a car is one thing, standing behind it and taking care of it over time is what actually matters. So whether it's routine maintenance, something that just doesn't sound right, or a warning light you've been ignoring a little too long, this is your sign to come see us. We're right here on West Broad, we're local, and we're committed to doing things the right way. Grace Auto Repair. We're here when you need us. Just a short, less than a mile drive down the road, did you know we are also Grace Auto Repair? With a fully equipped service facility, we're ready to take care of all of your automotive needs. Come on in. It's a pleasure to serve you. Sophia is here, ready to help you. We have coffee and usually some snacks, a nice customer lounge with some more snacks, fish tank.
Hey everybody, here at the service department you have me, Sophia, and Jabari is not with us here today. We are here to take your phone calls to set up your appointments for oil change or anything you might need.
See our fully equipped shop. We have 5 lifts and service bays, and we're happy to get your vehicle set up for service and keep your vehicle running tip-top. Hey Richard, how many technicians do we have?
We have 3 technicians with over 40 years combined service, and we specialize in Hondas and Toyotas.
Oh, great. So who are you?
I am the service manager along with my colleague RC, who is the other service manager, and together we have 50 years of experience serving the public.
What does retention mean to you?
Retention means keeping the customer happy by giving them a good job at a fair price.
Right? So come on down, 7909 West Broad Street. We have the full service shop to take care of your vehicle needs, get your oil changes taken care of, even up to and including engines and transmissions. We're happy to get you taken care of. Come on in, say hello to Sophia and Jabari and Richard and RC, and our technicians are JB and Sean and Oswaldo